Yeah, so Julia came to us at the beginning of last year to invite us on the Road to the Revolution. It was the third of a trilogy of research programs. This one in particular is all about digital disruption, and we're pleased to be part of this report because in this conference, which is our second conference, we're pretty much promoting the need for connected risk, which is a new form of risk that's prevalent within corporate industry, really driven by the interconnectivity that's generated by the digitized world. So we're very pleased to be part of this, and today we're going to be engaging through some of the work groups and also interactions with the delegates to get their views on ours. And this is on the back end of a work group study session that we did yesterday that had 90 people attendance, and which quite clearly got the message across from our perspective. So we're looking to engage deeper and further with that really today. Connected risk from our perspective is really the definition of systemic exposure. Drawn from 25 years ago, there was a prevalent event within the insurance market that really affected Lloyd's quite deeply, the LMX spiral. Connected risk is I suppose the integrated exposure on a corporate, its clients, its partners, its suppliers from an event that draws in operational and financial and reputational vulnerability. It's not just us that's talking about big data and analytics. Julia, in her press release yesterday, mentioned about the need for big data and analytics. In our view, if the world is more and more connected, organizations that draw deeper and more connected, there is a need for a deeper understanding of the landscape in which we operate. One that certainly big data and analytics and AI and machine learning can help with, but in the end it's a human that actually interacts with that will make the difference. So from my perspective, it's the beginning of the information trading environment. Big data is important because we're actually living in an environment of intense and increased connectivity, which actually complicates the existing strategy that a business is found its energies on. So big data enables people to observe information and the flow of information in much more detail than ever before. And it's not static information, it's becoming information that's more and more real. So I think it's what differentiates one company from another in terms of big data usage is the way in which information is digested, ingested and used more and more real time. And this is something that was mentioned quite a lot in some of the briefings yesterday, certainly by Julia at ERMIC. We see a greater need for more knowledge, more use, but in the end it actually comes down to the actual ingestion data, which is more and more bigger and more real time.